This video we are going to divide fractions with whole numbers and whole numbers with fractions. Now, if you have the companion assignment, it would probably be good for you to do all problems before watching this video, especially if you're using this video just to check your work. We're going to go very fast through these problems because we're going to do all 10 instead of the normal 3 or 4. So I'm going to go very quickly because I don't want the video to run very long. However, if you're going along with the video, you're going to have to pause it pretty regularly because I'm going very, very quickly. I'm going to be going very quickly. All right, so again, if this is practice and you've already learned this skill and you're just practicing it and you have the companion assignment, do the practice problems first and then use this as a check. All right, if you need help, just keep in mind you're going to have to pause pretty regularly. All right, number one. Number one is 3 divided by 1/2. Now remember, when we do this, we are going to flip, and I'll do this on the first few, but I'm going to stop doing it after a little while. We're going to flip and then multiply, so this will become 3 over 1 times 2 over 1, which is going to give me 6 over 1, which is 6. All right, number 2 is 2/4 divided by 6. Again, I'm going to flip and then multiply. So this will become 2/4 times 1 over 6. And so I end up with 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 6 is 24. I need to simplify this, so I'm going to divide top and bottom by 2. And my final answer will be 1/12. All right, number 3. 4/5 divided by 3. Again, I'm going to flip and then multiply. So this becomes 4/5 times 1/3. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. I cannot simplify it, so that is my final answer. Number 4. 1/4 divided by 2. Again, I'm going to flip and then multiply. So my problem becomes 1/4 times 1/2. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 2 is 8. And so my final answer is 1/8. Okay, on to number 5. Number 5 is 3 divided by 1/2. Okay, maybe I am going to do it on all of them. So I'm going to flip and then multiply. So my problem becomes 3 times 2 over 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. So I end up with 6 over 1, which is just 6. Number 6. 4 divided by 4/5. Going to flip and then multiply. So 4 over 1 times 5/4. So 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 4 is 4. So I end up with 20 over 4, which is an improper fraction, so I need to divide 20 divided by 4 to get my mixed number. In this case, it's going to be a whole number. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. There is no remainder, so my final answer is 5. All right, number 7. Number 7 is 1/2 divided by 10. going to flip and then multiply. So my problem becomes 1/2 times 1/10. And so my final answer is simply 1/20. Number 8 is 1/10 divided by 8. Again, I'm going to flip and multiply. So my problem becomes 1/10 times 1/8, which gives me 1/80th as my final answer. All right, number 9. Number 9 is 8 divided by 1/2. Kind of flip and then multiply. So 8 over 1. Oop, getting in too much of a hurry. 8 over 1 times 2 over 1 gives me 16 over 1, which is just simply 16. Number 10. 9/10 divided by 6. Flip and then multiply. So my problem becomes 9/10 times 1/6. 9 times 1 is 9. 10 times 6 is 60. I need to simplify. I can divide both top and bottom by 3. So 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. 60 divided by 3 gives me 20. And so my final answer is 3/20. Again, I went very, very quickly through these. If you need to go back and take another look at them, feel free.